this which gives us more the opportunity for the intern and other training professionals. We can do that one also. Then there is a state university research excellence also available, but there are few things they have changed now, but still these schemes are valid till today also. And Moha EV mission, which is recently many people we were fighting that with the industry partner, and industry partner has to give 10% of the case or the 10% of the budget, and then we have a startup research grant and inclusivity of research grant, and then PAIR. And nowadays, PAIR is the very nice research opportunity that you can accelerate the innovation of research, and this PAIR methodology is given very nicely. So these are the few. And DST scheme also, there is one scheme is called Technology Development Scheme. The Technology Development Scheme is very useful. I have also got this TDS scheme, Technology Development Scheme, and which were nearly, I got around 50 we got around, okay, something it came to, so I thought so. So there are technology development scheme if you want to develop some technology, and that is very, very useful. Okay, that is also possible. And then international collaborative grants are there, Indo-US, Indo-Russia, and Indo-Germany, Indo-Poland. There are so many that grants are there. And funds for improvement of science technology infrastructure. FIST, nowadays IITs also we get the FIST funding, and from FIST funding we are designing, we are doing all these technologies. So that FIST funding also today is very important for IITs, because they provide you whatever proposal up to 300 crores FIST funding they get sometime. And there are also few technology development and innovation programs, international collaboration grants, and fund for improvement and science and technology. Then there are also some clinic public health research scheme, and you should have the public health care system, and this is the area of medical science, and up to 10 crore project 5-year research is available. And then Young Scientist Research Award. Okay, so this is also the Department of Atomic Energy. It gives up to 35 lakh research grant. And funding cycle is like JRF equipment, and I will maybe I will share this PPT where you can also see go to website and find out what is your opportunities there. And then DA relevant research project, and that is and the Board of Research in Nuclear Science, advanced concept. So DAE, Board of Research on the Atomic Energy, and they have the contingency grant and as well as the project grant. And then there are also the Research Council Award that also given by 5 year, and this also for nuclear control planning wing, atomic. And I have also one of my friend is in the DAE, and he always say that up to 1 crore rupees is given by the through this one for different development, and the age should not be more than 47 years. And then Early Career Research Award, and that is also is there, DST, and that is up to 40 years, 37 years, and that like that, and up to 40 years. So there are also Emeritus Fellowship. The Ministry of Education, they have given through UGC, and up to age of 70 or 2 years from date of start a project which is earlier, that they gives the funding to emeritus people to accelerate the research. And then there are also Ministry of Education through UGC, they also give funding in the throughout the cycle year. And then international star travel, if you want to go to some other country, you want to apply, and then you will get a international travel support, and that is required. You have to apply between 60 to 90 days advance to this. And then Mid-Career Research Award, which is that also you can apply, and all science throughout the year you can apply. Then SCRB Power Research Scheme is the agency, funding agency can encourage emerging and immediate women researcher for individual centric and competitive mode of research fund. So these are the power grant, and then then CSIR research and development funding, and research grant, as that is a junior JRF, SRF it gives, and also it is a CSR industrial R&D scheme is available. And then we have ICMR, with the research grants, also emerging health challenges, and there are a lot of research grants. I also applied one of the research grant in this one, ICMR. And then UGC and AICT research scheme, major research project, and then research fellowship, research fellowship, JRF, and research faculty research promotion scheme also it is given. And then the DRDO, recently I also got one project which is 1.4 crore project for development of compact high density power supplies for the jet engine, the power line design. So that DRDO and MNRE they fund, MNRE based on the renewable energy, and they also give national fellowship research in defense sector, wind, and this one, and defense related technology need to be developed. Then you can get a DRDO project as well. So the conclusion is that you explore the R&D funding opportunity that like DSP, DST, and NANRF, and CSI, ICMR, DRDO, MIT, UGC, AICT. And there are a lot of private international fundings as well, and build a strong research proposal with clear objective and impact. Stay updated with funding portal and application deadlines. Collaborate with national and international research network. Summary of key funding agencies and opportunities for research and development. Encouragement to explore, apply, and innovate through R&D funding. That is how that one must do that one. And these are the few of the links of the major research fundings, which is available in their website. And these research fundings are being utilized for this development, and you can plan and you can also apply for this. So thank you very much. If you have any comment or question, I can answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, you have explained very fantastic information right from major funding agencies, government agencies, private agencies, international funding agencies, and how to apply for R&T grants, DST, sir, many things, sir, actually. And their details also explained. But as a researcher, actually, what happens is we'll not be remembering the dates and then when it will be called. I mean, you have mentioned in a few cases when whether it will be called in January or June, July, something written in some research grant agencies. But is there any website or something, sir? We'll have to subscribe. We will be getting the information when it is called or something.
You see, in the IITs,
Uh,
we have Dean Research and Development, R&D.
yes, sir.
So as soon as any funding opportunity come, he send an email to everyone.
Okay, sir.
So we get in that way. Or sometime we also look into that one. For example, DRDO.
Hmm.
DRDO whole year you can apply.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
For example, but DST, other thing, there is a time limit. DRDO, you have a solid problem, you can apply anytime. And then once you apply, they will ask you
Hmm.
to find out the lab where they want to utilize that your development.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm.
then that requires around 2-3 months. When you 2-3 times you present, they will tell, oh, this may be useful for us. So they will take from you. Okay. So like that, DRDO is throughout the year, like Department of Atomic Energy throughout the year.
Hmm.
Okay. And like ONGC, other part, PCRA, that is also whole throughout the year. So like that. And CSR, IR also throughout the year. So like that. So development they come. But other like NAMPET, MIT, or some Ministry of Mines, Water Board, all those things come as role. It comes in the time limit is there. So that is the difference.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, is there any? I mean, actually, it is out of bound question.
Uh,
Maybe just to, I'm not. If it is like related only, then answer, sir. No, otherwise, I'm sorry.
no, no problem.
If it is, how actually as a beginner filing the details and all for research proposal and all, is there available, sir? Any link or anything is there?
No, that is not available. When you write, once you write the proposal and it will go and they will reject or they will call you, then they will tell, Are, you have not made this, you have not made this. Sometimes, for example, I put a first proposal on solar research initiative in 2010. And when I went, no, wind research platform, so they told me, no, Bihar, there is no wind potency, so your project is rejected there itself.
Okay,
They
okay.
told. Second, I put the solar initiative, and
Hmm.
then they told, Are, you have initially gave 25 lakh.
Hmm.
Now, when you revised it, you gave 1.2 crore. So, from where you came? So, that discrepancy come 1, 2, 3 times when you go and present, then
Hmm.
you will understand where I am doing the mistake.
Okay,
And
okay.
after that, never rejected anything.
Well, then it means like we have to do some practice and get the mistake,
Yeah, yes, you should
then get
apply.
rejected.
Yes, apply first.
First apply.
You
Okay.
should not, don't worry. After 5 project, 2 project, you will get.
Okay. Sure, sir.
apply, but don't stop it. That oh reject ho gaya, then you should not be worried. Reject ho gaya. Nothing is required. You have applied. You have not got. Next time again modify. Apply the same thing. For
Yes.
example, I remember I had did a research. I made a proposal for water body, and I tried to water body somewhere. I want the energy harvest, water harvesting system in a campus wide network. I did that one. And then I saw that there was nothing, no funding opportunity came. And at last there was the opportunity one came, and they just asked for the rainwater harvesting system using automated monitoring system. So when I applied that long back in 2017 project report, now it is I got that project.
Okay.
So there is nothing that you have written a project, it will go on vain. No, you will get some other time also. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful and highly informative information. Hello.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Presentation was wonderful, sir. Actually, it has
Thank you.
so many slides, so many meanings, so many informations in single hour. I mean, in your duration only you have told. Very meaningful, sir.
Thank you. Thanks.
Energetic, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So can I leave now, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Very thanks, sir. Once again. Sure. We also thankful to all the participants. Okay, we conclude this program. Tomorrow topic will be AI in energy management smart kits delivered by Harish, Assistant Professor, NIT Farang, Delhi, NSUT, Delhi.
సేఫ్ డ్రైవింగ్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి. Stop your video. Clara.